Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to add custom HTML blocks inside Gregora's site editor and post editor. To add custom HTML in the site editor, first open the site editor. Click on Add Elements and search for Custom HTML. Drag and drop the custom HTML block into the editor. Paste your custom HTML code inside this block. Click the Preview button to see how your code looks right inside the block. This is how you add custom HTML code in the site editor. Save and publish your site. You will see a table added with custom HTML displayed on your site. To add custom HTML in the post editor, go to the Posts section. Open or create a post to add the custom HTML. Press the / key to bring up the block search. Select the custom HTML element. Paste your code inside this block. This way, you can embed any custom HTML in both the site and post editors in Gregora. Try it out to add extra flexibility to your content.